What's up mga ma'am, mga sir? Ito na naman si Opong dumadagundong. For today's video, magpa-prank na naman tayo. Hindi, magpa-prank pala ang asawa ko kasi kasama ako doon. Hawak niya na yung Skippy. Kung may ideya ka kung ano yung gagawin niya, panoorin mo na lang. Yan, di na siya makapaghintay. At gigil na yan sa gagawin niyang katarantaduhan. At sisilip pa yan kung tulog pa ba kami o gising na. Yan, focus niya na kami dyan, mga insan. Tingnan mo naman kung paano niya kami focus. Sige, video ka pa dyan. Kanina ka pa dyan nagbibideo. Tapusin mo na to at manood na sila.
A few moments later.
Ibang tissue! Tita wipes! Matitita mo kita na sakit buksit ko! Tita wipes! Haan, did you wipes daddy?
Oh my god! Don't see! Oh my god! What the? Bravo!
So success ka ni daddy. I thought hanyag success. So, Alexi. May Jay. Yung ako ng tissue da. Tissue. At dali. Ka-wipes. It's a peanut butter. Peanut butter. Okay, now it's time to prank Avery. Let's see. Hi, baby! Ouch, ouchie, tummy, mommy. Mommy, we're gonna poo-poo. Wait for mommy here, okay? Okay. Avery, help mommy! Can you get the wipes, please? Baby, can you get the wipes? Over there, the wipes. Over there, that one. The wipes there, please. Can you give it to mommy, please? The wipes. Hello?
That one.
Wipes.
Yeah, that one.
Can you give it to mommy, please? Ouchie, down ni mommy poo. Come here. I cannot. I'm sorry, baby. What's that? A poo-poo?
Yes.
Who's poo-poo?
Yan
Mommy, wash.
Smell.
Wash, mommy. Wash, mommy.
Let me see.
Wash.
Yeah.
Wash, mommy.
Sorry, baby. Sorry.
Wash.
Want to wash now? I'm sorry. That's my mommy poo-poo? You like it?
No.
Bangsit? Why did you put us here? It's a prank. It's just a food. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's just a food. That's not a poo-poo. It's a fake poo-poo.